We were talking about slope and writing and graphing linear functions, and we want to find the slope of a given, we were talking about slope and writing and graphing linear functions, and we want to find the slope of a line given a graph or 2 points on a line. And then we want to be able to write a line in point slope form given 2 points on the line. So here we have 2 points, and we want to be able to calculate the slope. So that equation is m equals, always have the divide sign and the 2 minus signs. And then we can substitute the values in. So I'm going to substitute in the y and the x, and I'm going to put them right over top of each other. And then I'm going to substitute in the y and the x. In the numerator, we have -3 minus 5. We add those. That's 8. Keep the sign. They're both negative. And in the denominator, we get 0. So right away, we have a problem with this one. We can't divide by 0, so this one is undefined. Now, just because it's undefined doesn't mean that we can't have an equation. So remember our slope monster. That one's negative, that one's positive, that one's undefined, and that one is 0. Okay, so we're going to have undefined as the vertical one. So I'm going to make a quick sketch of an axis. And I have 2 points. I have the point 8, -3. So 8, -3, and 8, 5. 8, 5. So now I know that I have a line going vertical right there. And that is at the point, at the line, x is equal to 8. So that is the equation for that one. Then looking over at problem 5, same thing. I want to calculate the slope, so m equals divide sign, 2 minus signs. I'm going to substitute the value in. So we have a 3 and a -2. And then we have a 3 and a -7. 3 minus 3 is 0. And -2 minus a negative, so that's plus. That's going to be equal to 5. And so 0 divided by 5, that is equal to 0. So that's a slope of 0. So we go back to our slope monster, and I'll draw it one more time. Minus, plus, undefined, and 0. So 0 means that we should have a line that goes across. So I do a quick sketch of the x and y axis. And we have -2, 3 and -7, 3. So the thing that's consistent between these is y equals 3. So that's going to be the equation for this one, y equals 3.